comfort as well as the comfort of those around you is important to us at Delta, so we do kindly ask that you use earbuds or headphones with any personal electronic device during our flight. We're now almost ready to go, so please take your seat, fasten your seatbelt, and stow your tray table and carry-on items. Ensure our armrests are in the resting position. Flight attendants, arm doors for departure, cross-check and on-call. My name is Hannah. I'll be your flight leader on tonight's flight. Our crew of 3 Atlanta-based flight attendants are excited to take care of you. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle for a brief presentation of the safety features of our Boeing 717 aircraft.
Belt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap so it is blowing tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the yarn is soft, keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with current instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless products, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal laws prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying registered smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, one on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, and an additional exit at the back. The forward doors are equipped with detachable flags that can be used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation, and an emergency light will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exit nearest you and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. Carrying baggage will slow the evacuation. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panel beside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Lift the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note oxygen is flowing, even if the mask is not inflated. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab, then opening the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten the strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Seat cushions can also be used for flotation. Instructions for operation are outlined on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use a life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute vests for in-lap children. Before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed, and all armrests are in the resting position. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat back pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight.
Control's giving us a controlled departure time for Atlanta, which is very common. Should be wheels up in about 5 minutes from now. Should be on our way very shortly for Atlanta. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.